Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. If you've got a check engine light with the P2254 trouble code, stick around because today, we're going to diagnose and fix it step by step. P2254 refers to the OBD-II sensor reference voltage circuit being low for bank 2. Sensor 1. This means your car's engine control module ECM isn't receiving the correct voltage signal from the upstream oxygen sensor, which can affect fuel efficiency and emissions. Check engine light is on. Decreased fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration. Increased emissions. OBD-II scanner. Multimeter. Basic hand tool socket set. Wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary. Safety gear, gloves, and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections. Wire harness and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD-II scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2254 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2254 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.